Complete the congruent statement. Number 1. Triangle MAN is congruent to what triangle? Using the markings and gagamit tayo ng pattern. MAN. MA, isang guhit. AN, dalawa. Ferrer. Triangle. Very good. Triangle DEN. Next. Triangle LAN is congruent to what triangle? Agosto. LEI. Third one. Triangle RED. RE, dalawa. ED, isa. Triangle RED is congruent to triangle. Yes, anak. Very good. DGR. Triangle RKI is congruent to what triangle? Oladive. CY. Very good. Next. This time, let us complete the given using triangle MAN and triangle DEN. Okay. So, number 1. Angle M is corresponds to angle S. Respicio. Angle D. Number 2. Angle E is congruent to angle. Yes, anak. Angle A. Very good. Next. Number 3. Kindly read. 1, 2, 3, go.
Angle END
Is corresponds to. Yes, anak. ANM. Next. Is corresponds to. Garalde. Segment EN. How about number 5? Read. Yes, anak. DEN. Number 6. Yes, anak. NM. Number 7, read. Yes. Angle M. Text. Number 8, read. Madali. DN. Next, number 9, read. Abongan. NA. Very good. And the last one, read. Sige, Kirante. NM? MM. Very good. MM. Okay, so any question about corresponding parts?